Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arts and Boards, and in this video, I have a beautiful living room set for you. Not just beautiful, but this is a very different set. I'll explain what I mean. But before that, if you are an interior designer or an architect, or you are designing your own home, the finer points I'll explain in this video will be really beneficial, really important to note because this will help you in deciding how to design your living room. Generally, when we talk about a sofa set or a living room set, the most important requirement is how many seats we want. It could be a 5-seater set, 311, 322, 7-seater, or a seater like this. This is a 3-seater, 3-seater here, 2 chairs, and a settee, an open back settee right here, along with a table, 4 feet by 2.5 feet, the table size. I'll go in sizes one by one. Before that, let me explain what is different. Generally, when we go for a 322, 311, 3211, or any concept like this, what we have is a sofa design and a matching chair design. There is a standard setup for any sofa. So you have this sofa, and accordingly, same designs chair can be made 22 or 211 as you want. Here what we have is everything is different. We have a 3-seater and a 3-seater divan. Along with that, we have got 2 high back chairs, and the chair has one more speciality. I'll show you a little later. 2 more chairs, and then we have an open back settee. Let me quickly give you sizes of everything, then we'll move further. There's 7 feet left to right. Back height is 51 inches, a little more than 4 feet. Front to back, 30 inches from end to end. The space that it will cover on the floor, 30 inches, 2.5 feet. And this divan. Divan means the one that has got some curve like this. It's higher from one side, lower from one end. And these are also called chaise lounge, day bed, and some people call it couch also. So this is the formation along with the bolster there, as you can see. And the design is again as a sofa is. So match the handle work and you will see overall design matching in the sofa and the divan. 7.5 feet left to right, back height is 51 inches and 30 inches front to back. Enough space if someone wants to lie down for a while. So that has got quite good space here. Then we have 2 chairs, and these chairs are different. This is 45 inches, quite wide chair. Back height is a little more than 5 feet, front to back 30 inches. And the chair design is also similar to the sofa, but this chair has got double carving. So if you see from the back, it has got carving at the back also. What really happens is generally 3-seater, just like the setup you see here, this is going to a wall, this is going to a wall. So when we are keeping something along with the wall, the back design, if we have design on the back, it is not visible. Similarly on this one, if we have a back design on this one, it will not be visible. But these chairs are out in open. The back is visible from that side. And the back carving, as you see in this one, looks really beautiful, amazing, and a different set altogether. And it gives a different feel to the set completely. This can be done in the entire set if you want. If you are keeping the set in the middle of the room, the double carving can be done on any of the units as you require, and accordingly we have to increase the width of the wood because for double carving we need more wood. So these are heavier, the back is heavier than the sofa, and we have done the double carving on the chairs. I'll sit on the sofa also, I'll show it to you. Before that, I'll talk about the settee also. This is 6.5 feet left to right. Width is 28 inches. The handle height is 36 inches. The best part about this thing is it's same from both the sides. So you sit on this side or you sit on that side. It's always the same. With the bolsters, it gives you the Shahi look, the Rajwada look that we love. And another important point about the open back settee. When I'm sitting on a sofa, let's say we have a beautiful painting on the wall on the front, or we have a TV, or we have a French window or a garden on the front. Now I'm sitting here and you can see me very clearly. There is no obstruction. So if a settee is right there, my view is not blocked, and this is a good thing about settee. If we have anything good on that wall, or we want to show that wall and we have something with the back, the view, the look is obstructed. And these are finer points that need to be understood when we are designing the entire thing. So everything you see, the 3-seater here and the divan here, and the uses are different. It can be used as a day bed also. So we are adding a day bed, we are adding exclusive design double carved chair for really royal setting, and then we have a settee along with that. Along with this, we have got table, a center table, and 2 side tables that are also quite useful thing. Side tables can be used to put some decorative item. Generally, if you have seen a lot of places, they keep some statue or some memorabilia or some gift item on the sides, and it works as a showpiece. Or it can be used as side table to serve, so you can keep it along with here, along with the chairs in the middle. Someone can use it because the center table doesn't serve all the people. I'll sit on the chair and let's see the look of the chair as well. Very spacious, as you can see, and the overall look of a throne. That is what the royal furniture is all about. And this royal furniture is something we are delivering across the globe. Everything, the carving, the painting, the cushion work involves real people. This is not done by machine. Hand carving on solid teak wood, real teak wood. And the color on this one is chocolate brown in matte finish as the client wanted. Again, the fabric also as per the client's choice. Choice. This is the most important thing that Arson works on. If you go to a local showroom, what you find, they have some few sets, they have a few 10-15 sets maybe, and you have to pick something from there and get it home. Here we make what you want. So if you don't want a divan, you want something else, let us know, we'll do that. So size, design, fabrics. If you want a different color fabric, we have a huge collection for fabrics. You let us know what color you like, what pattern you like. We'll give you the options. You select it, and we accordingly make it. The color again is, this one is chocolate brown, and this again is matte finish. You want something in glossy, you want in natural finish, you want mahogany, or any paint color like golden, silver, champagne, rose gold, triple shade, dual shade, white, off-white, and even in gold leafing, silver leafing, champagne leafing, antique leafing. All this we have done already. In more than 1500 videos, I've shown so many sets, so many sofa units, living room sets, beds, dinings, jhula, swings, and the partition screens, temples, so much stuff, dining tables I've shown, and you can pick from any of those units the color you want, the fabric you want, the design you want, and we will customize the furniture as per your requirement and deliver to your home. Not just in India. Pan India we deliver, but in 55 plus countries we are already delivering to. This one is going to USA along with a lot of other units. I'll make videos for that also, but right now we have this set. We are making it for you as per your choice and delivering right to your home, and a list of testimonials, thousands of pictures, and these are the pictures from the client's home once the stuff has reached their place. Global pictures from across the globe. Once they have received it, they have placed it, they click the picture, sent it back to us, and we are proudly displaying this on our website. So many pictures that you will find so many amazing ideas from. If you are designing your home, you can pick a lot of ideas from these pictures. How this color is looking with what wall color, the wall, the theme, the wallpaper, the lightings, all these things put together makes your dream home. And we believe in making dream furniture too, because furniture is the jewelry of your home, and the jewelry should be as beautiful as your home is, as your dream is. Let us know what you like. Let us know what you're looking for. The number is right here. Pick the ideas from internet, from our website, from our videos, or from anywhere, or even from AI, artificial intelligence. Design something. Let us know that this is what you want. We'll make that and deliver to your home. Just like the thousands of customers who have received our furniture at factory price right to their homes. Hope you like our work. Thank you. Dhanyavad.